This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Daignault-Ives. Direct open water executive home. Soaring high ceilings create a bright airy appeal. Custom stair rails accent the spacious great room surrounded by sliding glass doors capturing water views from every angle. The kitchen boasts birch cabinets and granite counters, west/gas cooktop and breakfast bar open to the dining area. Corner screen patio west/kitchen pass-through. 2 downstairs bdrms west/a private screened waterfront patio. Upstairs is the huge master suite and loft which captures the most amazing views of the Ulumay sanctuary along west/a perfect rocket launch viewing deck. Out back are cascading stairs to the lush backyard and dock area. Upgraded deck and 10,000 lift west/reinforced seawall. 700 square feet side entry garage is a dream for any hobbyist west/220 impact windows, Cat 5 wiring and more. For more information